Topic metabolites. Okay. After studying biomacromolecule and biomacromolecule. Now, what are metabolites? Metabolites are biomolecule, and because they constantly change, so anything as a compound, chemical compound constantly changing, that is called as metabol. And the process of metabolism. Okay. So you see, metabol are those which are constantly changed, and hence the name metabolites are given. These metabolites are of two types: primary metabolites and secondary metabolites. Okay. Now you see the difference between two. Primary metabolites are those which are primary in origin. Okay. And these are secondary in origin. ठीक है. Biomolecule directly. So you see in metabolism, you see glycolysis, Krebs cycle, ठीक है ना, and so many other processes, gluconeogenesis, various anabolic catabolic process, they regularly utilize primary metabolite, which sustain our life due to metabolic reactions. They constitute primary metabolite. Now see one by one. Biomolecule are directly involved. As I already told you, this is the glycolysis and Krebs cycle and ETS, and so all those molecules which are involved in the biochemical reaction to sustain the life, they are called what? Primary metabolite. ठीक है. And very correctly, biomolecule directly involved in the normal growth. ठीक है. You see, कोई बीमार हो जाता है, something get ill, something is wrong. So all normal growth and development and the reproduction, they participate in the three processes: in growth, in development, and in reproduction. These may be both either biomicromolecule or what? Biomacromolecule. If you try to differentiate between the two, glucose is a biomicromolecule, very important biofuel. Cellulose, a biomacromolecule, a very important component of cell wall. So primary metabolites may be either monomer or biopolymer. Okay. These are essential. So these metabolites are very important to sustain the life. इनके बगैर हम जिंदा नहीं रह सकते. Okay. Constantly used, they are regularly used in the metabolism. Okay. And involved in both anabolism, catabolism, and also in the amphibolic. You see, Krebs cycle is a very important for the catabolism as well as for the anabolism, for the synthesis of various types of amino acid from the intermediate product of Krebs cycle. Okay. So these all constitute primary metabolite. Okay. Secondary metabolite, first point, they are secondary in origin. बाद में बनते हैं. Later on they are formed. These are natural organic compound. आप नीम की दातुन करते हो, ठीक, बबूल की दातुन करते हो, तुलसी खाते हो, ठीक है, कड़वे अड़वे होते हैं. तो these all are alkaloid, मतलब secondary primary product. These are natural organic compound. Okay, mostly nitrogenous, not directly involved in the normal growth, development and reproduction. जबकि these are used, है ना, and usually have low molecular weight. In this case, they may have a low molecular weight or may have very high molecular weight, but usually they have low molecular weight. Next point, they do have some ecological importance. Whenever you see the grazing animal, they used to just smell. सूंघते हैं कोई पेड़ को खाएं कि नहीं खाएं, whether it is good for their health or not, और अगर poisonous है तो नहीं खाएंगे. और तुलसी को बंदर नहीं खाएगा, ठीक है, कोई और पेड़ों को तो उसको खा लेगा. इसका मतलब है ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सेकेंडरी. सो दे हैव ए इकोलॉजिकल रोल टू डिफेंस, how to protect the plant from the grazing animal. They have certain secondary metabolite in their plant body, and that is not edible by the herbivores. Okay. Now let us see another very important question: how to differentiate between primary metabolite and secondary metabolite. So see one by one. For your help, I have already written. They are primary in origin, they are secondary in origin. So point is clear. Okay, they perform a specific physiological function, glycolysis, Krebs cycle, gluconesis, whatever it is, and they do not have any physiological function. So your point is clear. Now essential for what? Growth, development and reproduction. Not essential for, they have some ecological importance. Okay, constantly used during the metabolism, लगातार यूज होते हैं, constantly used, regularly, till the life is there, they are being used, and formed during stationary, at the end of, mature हो गया, पक जाता है. You see ripe mango, unripe mango is sour, खट्टा, and ripe mango is sweet, मतलब change, stationary phase, ठीक, produced in large quantity, constantly used, large, and they are produced in small quantity, ठीक है. they have to present in cell inclusion, in the cell sap, easily extracted, इनको आसानी से आप निकाल सकते हो, ठीक है. they can be taken out easily, but they cannot be easily taken out. Okay, this point is clear. These are same, whatever the plant, algae, ठीक, bryophyta, pteridophyta, so mostly all cellular pool have the same type of primary metabolite. But remember, these are species specific. Every species have a specific type of secondary metabolite. Somewhere they are present, somewhere they are not present, in some more quantity, some in less quantity. Okay, and they form integral molecular organization. Suppose cell membrane, mitochondria membrane, whatever the internal organ, that is due to primary metabolism. But they do not get involved in the internal organization of the molecular structure. Okay, not participate in it. They have no role in the defense system. बुखार से कैसे बचाना है या किसी दर्द से कैसे बचाना है, बट दे हैव पार्टिसिपेट इन द डिफेंस रिएक्शन. दीज आर मोस्टली नॉन पॉइजनस एंड दीज आर सम ऑफ देम आर पॉइजनस. ओके, सो दिस इज द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्राइमरी मेटाबोलाइट एंड सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट. एंड द लास्ट वन, जस्ट प्राइमरी मेटाबोलाइट इंक्लूड अमीनो एसिड्स, फैटी एसिड्स, ओके, शुगर, आइदर ग्लूकोज और केन शुगर, माल्टोज, सुक्रोज, लैक्टोज, ठीक है, और न्यूक्लियोसाइड और न्यूक्लियोटाइड और विटामिन और पॉलीसेक्राइड और प्रोटीन और न्यूक्लिक एसिड. एंड व्हाट डू हियर इट इंक्लूड? व्हाट? एंटीबायोटिक्स, माइकोटॉक्सिन, टर्पीन्स, एल्कोलॉइड्स, ओके, लैक्टिन एंड रबर एंड पिगमेंट. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट एंड प्राइमरी मेटाबोलाइट. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. नाउ सी द पार्ट ऑफ a secondary metabolite and very important for competition. ठीक, so I have drawn the chart. What are secondary metabolite? You already know, and here you are going to have the examples of secondary metabolite. So you see one by one, either they are pigments or alkaloid or terpenoid और essential oil, गुलाब का तेल, चमेली का तेल, गेंदे का तेल, कोई भी तेल सुगंधित होते हैं, और टॉक्सिन और लैक्टिन और ड्रग और पॉलीमेरिक सब्सटेंसेस. नाउ लेट अस स्टडी वन बाय वन. पिगमेंट, गाजर देखिए आपका रंग होता है, नींबू का रंग है, तो वो जो कलर्ड मटेरियल जो होते हैं, दे आर ड्यू टू वाटर सॉल्युबल एंथोसाइनम, ठीक है, एंड कैरोटीनॉइड आर नॉट वाटर सॉल्युबल, दे आर आल्सो कलरिंग पिगमेंट मटेरियल. ओके, एल्कोलाइड आर नाइट्रोजनस पॉइंट, दे आर मॉर्फिन, ओके, इंजेक्शन होता नहीं, कोडाइन, निकोटिन, तंबाकू, टोबैको, हीरोइन, भांग, कैनाबिस में, ठीक है, कैनाबिनॉइड और कोकाइन, कोकस एंड एट्रोपिन धतूरा में जाते हैं. दीज ऑल आर ड्रग्स, मेडिसिन, ठीक है, एल्कोलाइड एंड टर्पिनॉइड. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, इंक्लूड मोनोटर्पिन, डाइटर्पिन, ट्राइटर्पिन, मोनो, डाई, ट्राई, एंड दे आर वाइडली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन द प्लांट किंगडम. The most abundant phytochemical secondary metabolite in the plant kingdom belongs to terpenoid. ठीक है, and that is why I have mentioned here, they constitute largest group of the secondary metabolite. Okay, essential oil, लेमन का तेल है, रोज़ा गुलाब का तेल है, ठीक है, लेवेंडला का तेल है, अच्छे जितने सुगंधित फ्लेवरिंग एजेंट्स आर देयर एंड दे आर आल्सो सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट. टॉक्सिन बहुत जहरीले होते हैं, एब्रिन और रेसिन, ठीक है, एंड लैक्टिन आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. केमिकल कॉन्टैक्ट सब्सटेंसेज आर देयर एज कॉन, कैनाबिन, ठीक है, केमिकल अट्रैक्टेंट होते हैं. एज आई मस्ट टेल यू टू डिस्क्राइब, यू सी रूट हेयर, ओके, ऑफ नोडुलेटेड रूट, And how to form nodule? So just see at here the small molecule accumulate, that is lectin, and they are proteinaceous complex substances and chemical attractant, and they attract what? Rhizobium. ठीक है. So तो they are attract, so this curl, ठीक, ये देखिए. So the curl of the root hair is formed due to lectin attractant for the rhizobium leguminosarum bacteria. So they are chemical attractant lectin. Okay, see root hair nodule formation. And number of drugs are there. Vinblastine, ठीक है, curcumin, these are drugs. Okay, and polymeric substance. Rubber is a secondary metabolite. Gum secondary metabolite, ठीक, and cellulose secondary, lignin secondary metabolite. Okay, the most abundant biomolecule organ in sphere, cellulose. Second one, chitin of animal, and third is lignin in plant. Okay, these all are secondary metabolites. Okay, thank you very much.